Whoa. Whoa. What's good? What's good, my friends? It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. What's up with fun? PHUN. Ooh, PHUN up to $1.50 this morning. Guys, do you know what time it is right now? It is literally 3:20, 3:15, something like that. It's real early in the morning, baby. It's real early in the morning, but we're doing it. We're doing it live this morning. What's popping? What's good? How do I sound? How do I look? Let me know. All right. All right, we're taking a look here at the scanner. This is the scanner we got going on today. We got FOE popping up there on the scanner. We got a PTIX. What else got going on here? PTIX up to 395 right now. PTIX has has some action going on there. What else we got going on? What else are we looking at? Let me know. Right now we got PTIX, FOE on the gapper list there. CERC. Couple stocks moving around this morning. FOE. FOE, I think that's a buyout or something. That one's at $21 stuck. So PTIX. Trying to see what the story of my life, man. I go live and the market just doesn't want to work out. You know, it's just how it goes. Story of my life, baby. Whew. PTIX this morning must have a pretty big float. No, PTIX has a 7 million share float. So looking at PTIX here. We got some resistance, I guess, yesterday. It made a move yesterday. Making moves there. So resistance-wise, $4. Basically $4 to $4.89 resistance there on PTIX this morning. So PTIX going to the moon. Fun tokens will be the very first token tradable that has a stock listed on NASDAQ. All fun tokens. PHUN. Sounds fun to me. What's the SPY doing today? Yesterday the SPY got crushed. The NASDAQ got crushed. Oh, wow. Are we really down that much right now? Oh, wow. The SPY gapping down overnight. Big gap down from the 416 down there to 412. Ouch. Ouch. The Qs, everything. Getting murdered right now. The market getting murdered. I woke up to a bloodfest here. An absolute bloodfest. Apple. Tesla down big. Wow, Tesla below $600. Who would have thought? I guess a lot of people would have thought that, but it finally happened. After all that time, all the bulls and the bears arguing about Tesla being overvalued, Tesla down to 578 this morning low. That's pretty amazing, actually. What else is another Amazon? Amazon not doing too bad. Everything else is getting just murdered right now. Wow. Big old gap down today. Big old gap down. Look at the scanner again here. What we got going on this morning. FOE is a buyout. PTIX is one we already looked at. We also are looking here. We can look at CERC, kind of just going sideways there. SQBG. Gap it up there, but really no volume on it. And Triple D. Triple D going from 1840 to 1976 now. So, we got a couple of little things moving around. PTIX looking like it's gonna be the hot one today, or at least as of right now, looking like it's gonna be the hot play of the day. Other than that, we're just getting to go. The market getting murdered though. Wow, really impressive. Impressive how badly the market is getting murdered right now. Really, wow, insanity, I'd say. It's absolutely insanity. We got about 5 minutes to the market. 5 minutes till the market opens. We're just going to share really quickly with the world that we're live on YouTube. It's been a minute. People walk past on. You guys probably don't even remember my voice. You don't even remember what it's like to be live with me anymore. It's been a minute. I can't remember the last time I went live. Well, a couple months ago. Probably a couple months ago, yeah. So this morning, PTIX is looking like it's really the only big mover so far. Yesterday, we had IHT as well. That made a big move. But right now, IHT not really having any juice this morning. We'll keep an eye on it just in case. But you can see IHT yesterday, end of day. Look at this move on IHT from the 350 there at the end of the day. 350 all the way up there to $6.50 here. Well, yesterday on this move. So that's some money to be made right there, my friends. Look at that. Just ding, 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 all the way to $6. Anyone else get a trade on this? Anyone? Let me know. PTIX looking for this break. I'd say on PTIX we got to get above 406 here, $4 area. And then after that, looking like 489 being that next resistance. Yesterday, you can see it got stuck there at 406, got stuck there at 422, got stuck there at 408 multiple times. So the $4 area acting as resistance on PTIX right now. We'll see if it's can it get going? Can it get going? We'll see. Man, everything is getting murdered right now. Everything. Every stock is red. The entire market is red. It's Black Tuesday. It's going to be one of those days. Oh. 3:30 comes early, my friends. 3:30 in the morning, it comes early here in Hawaii. It comes real early. Right now, taking a look here, PTIX, can this get going? Can it get going here? We're going to keep an eye on it here going into open. Really, it's the only thing that's moving this morning that I see. Do you guys see anything else that's moving? Anybody? Anybody else got anything that's popping off there? Sup, nerd? Sup, nerds? New York City in the house. Good morning. What's popping? Ntec this morning. I saw this one a little earlier, but it's down to 460. Not really making a move. So Ntec down there to $4.60. I look tired. I'm just waking up. Come on, guys. It's early here. It's 3:30 in the morning, man. 3:30 in the morning. Gosh. For now on, I'll wake up. I want to wake up an hour earlier at 2:30, and I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to get the day started, and then I'll be ready to go. PTIX trying to push through that $4 area going into open here. We got about a minute till the market opens. We got about a minute till the market opens. So let's see what happens here. Can we get a big mover today? It's been a minute. I don't even know what it's like to trade a big mover anymore. I forgot what it's like. Do I go to sleep? Do I sleep later in the day or do I go to bed really early? Normally I just go to bed around 9. There, the market is open. Buyers starting to come in there on PTIX. She's moving. There we go, out of the gates. Looking for a small pullback here, back to the $4 area. $4.19 now on PTIX. Still got that resistance right here as well at 422. Holding it down, I think. Pulling back here. Pulling back there. See if we can get back above $4 here. Having some trouble there. Might be a fake out. Looking kind of fakey, I think. Let's see. Can she hold 388 area? Can she hold? PTIX looking to hold this $4 area and squeeze up here. Trying to squeeze back above 4. Got to get above that 420. Looking for a move over 420 here on PTIX. Looking for that. Come on, baby. Let's go to the moon. $4.11 seller sitting there holding it down right now. Just not wanting to go through that 420 area here. Got a hold 380 here. PTIX. Like to see a push here. Holds 380, we're going to 420. If it holds 380, we're going full 20. Right here, right now. Let's go. Over 420. Ding, ding, ding. Trying. It's trying, my friends. It wants it. It needs it. I want some more of it. Trying to get this push here on PTIX over 420 here. Can she go all the way? $414 on the ask. Trying to get to that 411 seller, just kind of sitting there right now. You can see that 411 area holding it down. Pushing up there, pushing up there. Just doesn't want to go through that 411. That means if it does go through 411, it's going to be a rocket ship, my friends. Put on your moon boots. Put on your moon boots here. Holding it down there. They're holding it down. Holding us down, the man. It's got to go through here. It's got to go through here. If it's going to go, it's going to go, right? Right through here. Right now. Looking for it. And just not wanting to go. Dun, dun, dun. Well, that was no fun. PTIX. Really wanted to see that breakthrough 420. I think if it had broke through 420, it would have been an easy 50, 60, 70 cent move from there. You can see that resistance 411 just holding it down. IHT halted to the upside here. Here we go. IHT yesterday had a high of 650. You can see here on the daily chart. But after that, that 660 area was the resistance yesterday. After hours into the end of day here. So we'll see. Let's see what happens here on IHT. PTIX just not wanting to work out for us. Getting out of it. You can see the scanner right now. A couple stocks popping up there. ADES popping up on the couple of different scanners. ADES popping up there to the 525 area on really low volume right now. PRTS just popped up on the scanner there. PRTS up there to $15 from the $13.63 low up there to $15. The SPY trying to bounce back from that 412 right now back to 413. Trying to get going here. CERC above $3 here as well this morning. Looking like after that would be resistance wise 315 320 area on CERC. And then also FFF popping up from the $12 area to the $12.30 right now. IHT looking to see where this goes. Ugh. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Short everything, Tim said. I don't know, man. IHT could go to the moon here. It could go to the moon. When was IHT halted at? Anyone know when IHT was halted? CERC trying to push above 316 here. Starting to get going. Oh my God. I keep putting my finger on the ticker. IHT is a mess for longs and shorts. Sounds like my kind of party. I do enjoy a good messy stock. So IHT was halted at 937. We got about, it should be opening here, right? Any second now? Any second. CERC up to $3.30 now. That one's moving. I'm kind of interested to see, though, what is going to happen with IHT here. CERC going from $3 to $3.25 since we looked at it there. This morning was down there at the 290 area, up there to 325 now. Looking to see IHT going to reopen here any second now. Any second now. If you haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Let's go. Don't be greedy with your likes, you know? Don't be greedy with your likes. Help a man. Help a brother out. CERC up there to 330, pulling back now, looking a little overextended at that point, but see if she gets a little pullback and then starts to set up for the next leg higher here. IHT should reopen any second here, right? Anyone alive out there? PLRT pushing up as well. We're gonna keep an eye on the scanner for you guys. Waiting to see what happens here with IHT halted to the upside here. This thing made a big move yesterday from the $3 area to $6. Looking to see what happens. It was halted at 921.56. No. Are you sure? I don't think so. Not what? Not 921. PTIX pulling all the way back down there to the 350 area after not being able to break through that resistance there. So CERC pulling back as well here after getting just a little too far ahead of itself. I guess they're going to put a 10-minute halt on IHT here. 10-minute halt for IHT. Yeah, so we got a 10-minute halt on IHT here. Gonna be a little bit longer. CERC at the 320 area. No. Well, yeah, not trading the 15-minute strategy on these penny stocks. Looking at CERC to jump in there for a break higher up to the 330 area. Above 330 will be our target. Make a new high on CERC. Yeah, I don't know really. I don't understand why or how they decide if it's a 5-minute or a 10-minute halt. They've never really clarified that. Looking for CERC to push up here. Watching this low here, 310 area. Momentum right now, just not on our side. If 310 can't hold, we're going to get out of CERC. Buyer sitting there at 313 right now. 315. If we push above 320, add again. Looking for a squeeze up to the 330 here on Ntec just got halted. Someone said in the chat. Ntec halted. Oh, what? There we go. Looking for CERC to push up here. Above 330. I think IHT is going to reopen here as well. Looking for a push up to 330 or higher on CERC. Trying to push, trying to push. 330 or higher here. Needs to go here, needs to go on this candle. Needs to rock it. IHT opened up the 550, pulling back already there. Ntec's halted. CERC just, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it, boys. Over 330. Let's get a breakout today. Give me a break to the upside, please. Oh, you son of a gun. CRC, come on. Gotta hold this area here. 313, 315 area on CERC. Get going here. Going sideways right now. That sideways movement. Consolidating there. And just not wanting to go. On fire right now, people. We're on fire. IHT, the 550 area. Holding down resistance here on IHT. And pulling back. CRC just did not want to hold there. Ntec, what's the float on Ntec here? Got a 4.3 million share float on Ntec. You can see here, well, can't see it, but it's behind me. On the float here on the scanner, on the Trade Idea scanner, you can see Ntec 516 right now, halted. IHT looking like she wants to do something here. Let's see. Hold that $5 area. Maybe want to squeeze up. Hey, thanks, Kenny. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all your support. Without you guys, well, this channel would be just me talking to myself, which it basically is, but now it's just people watching me talk to myself. I wish you guys could talk too. I wish we could have discussions and talk about life and things like that, you know? It would be a lot more fun. Ntec reopening here. Looking to see if we can push above 520 on Ntec. Don't want to get halted to the downside here. Man, there's just been no continuation today. Zero. Nobody wants to party today. We're going to see here if Ntec can push above 520. There we go. Pushing up there now. Let's see if Ntec can go to another halt. Looks like it's going to be the only party on the playground right now. Ntec. Cryptocurrency. Everyone's focused on cryptocurrency. What's your top pick right now, Kenny? What are you in big for? What's the hot cryptocurrency pick from Kenny? ADA, okay. Lots of volume here on Ntec. Lots of volume. Just not wanting to go right now. You got lots of volume. Just not a lot of action here. All that volume and nowhere to go. Huh. Ntec, can it push here above 525? We haven't had like one breakout yet. We got to get one, right? Like there's got to be at least one breakout today. One breakout to the upside, at least. There's got to be one. Just one. NTEC trying to get a push here. Want to buy push. Over 525. Want to buy push. Everything needs more volume. It's the ABC pattern. Just buy it if it breaks the second long green candle. IHT halted to the downside here. Ruh-roh. That's not good. Hopefully nobody's holding IHT right now. TGLS, RLGT, ALGM popping up on the scanner, on momentum scanners. $5.25 high so far here on NTEC. Trying to push up here now. Looking a little bit better. Can we get going to the moon? 550 area looking like a good target on this, or higher really. Hello, hello, good morning. Welcome to the show. You guys are a little late. If you're just now tuning in, you're a little late. It's crazy. Absolutely no follow through today. Zero follow through on anything. It's been one of those days. One of those days, my friends. PTIX all the way back down there to the 340 area after not pushing through that 410. So, whoopsie daisies. This stock here, IGT, up to the 1901, 1910 area. Young Cha. You're back. Wow. Looking like a very similar pattern across the board today. CERC up to the 330, pulling all the way back down to the 290. You got IHT, same pattern. You got PTIX, similar pattern. Got a lot of stuff today just getting murdered with no real continuation here. We got triple D's. Triple D up to the 2170 area this morning, pushing higher, opening at that 1980 area. Up there to 2178 now. Triple D. Got 120 million shares in the float on Triple D here. 3D systems. Triple Ds. If you haven't already, do me one favor, hit that like button. It does help if you hit the like button. It'll help me help you. Help me out. Triple D up to 2210 now. 2230 now. She's pushing, baby. Since we jumped on this stock, since we looked at it, it's going to the moon. 2240. Triple D. Resistance wise, Triple D looking good to about 2360 area. We got Triple D in the house. 22.50 now here on Triple D. Rocket ship. It's a rocket ship. What time is it? About 10 o'clock. This market is looking awfully slow this morning. Awfully just not about it right now. DOYU. Do you? DOYU popping up on the scanner this morning. Up there to $8.30. There's really like no volume on it. Huh. I don't know about that one. I just don't know about that one, my friends. It's time to get the jet ski out. I agree. We think alike, Kenny. We might live on different parts of the world, or we might live across the world from each other, but we have very similar ideas here. Going through pretty much every stock that's moving this morning, and you can see it's just looking really bleak. So nothing looking too hot right now. CERC, it's got 38 million shares traded, and this thing couldn't even get going. 38 million shares traded, and it couldn't even push above the high on that breakout there. So not a good sign, my friends. Not a good sign in terms of momentum in the markets today. In the small cap market. You got SMED up there to $17. Hey man, if you want something, you got to get it sometimes, you know, waking up early, doing it. You know, sometimes you just got to do it. You got to do things that you don't want to do so that you can keep doing things that you want to do. At least that's what I've been told. Somebody told me that. Tesla, look at Tesla. Wow. Tesla trying to go from red to green there. It might happen actually. This morning Tesla was down there at the 580 area and now up there to 620. Absolutely just amazing how this thing moves. I mean, you would think that Tesla is like Tesla is a penny stock when you look at it, the way that it moves. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing, my friends. You can see the scanner here. This is the Trade Ideas scanner. If you never checked out the scanner before, there's a link in the bio to check it out. You get a discount as well if you go through my link. You know, you might as well. If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it that way, right? You might as well. So let's take a look. We got a couple of different like settings over here you can kind of go through. Well, I had to press the button, didn't I? I just had to press the button. I had to press the button every time. Always screws me. Oh no. What happened is it ended up going to like the default. Well, that's fun. Well, never mind. Never mind. Just kidding. I think that's a good sign. Good demonstration there. Wasn't that a great demonstration for you guys? Really enjoyed it, didn't you? Really enjoyed it. ISNS, I don't know what, it's up 15%, but it's just not going to go right now. SQBG, NTEC, everything getting murdered. All those stocks that we were looking at earlier just getting absolutely crushed right now. I got a little penny stalker here, SNDL, this morning from 68 to 74, if anyone's interested in that. Interested in that, you can check it out. So, Plug Power. Man, this one's been all over the place. Plug Power down there to $20. The beginning of this year was up to $75 there on PLUG. I remember a lot of people were very bullish on Plug Power earlier this year. And I don't know. Something did not smell right. You know, something just did not smell right on that stock. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Kind of just a slow morning. Nothing really working out in terms of the small cap momentum market. Everything just getting crushed. So on that note, it's been fun. It's always fun hanging out with you guys, talking about life and liberties and the pursuit of happiness and all that. So chop, chop, chop suey. And I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.